Welcome back. It's now time for Midday Sports.
Head coach of Jamaica Premier League outfits Treasure Beach FC says the club will need all the support they can get in order to get back on their feet following the passage of Hurricane Melissa. The Treasure Beach community was one of those hardest hit by the passage of the Category 5 hurricane, which made landfall on the south coast of St. Elizabeth on Tuesday. Speaking with TVJ Sports, Ricketts says he's still yet to get in touch with all his players.
I couldn't say everybody because I haven't heard from some as yet. As it relates to the executive body, I've heard from a few that is able to communicate, but we still haven't heard from some, so we cannot confirm that everybody's okay. I have information that some houses have been damaged, whether and that's for players and executives.
Ricketts adds that they have lost almost everything at the house where the players are staying.
Yeah, I mean, it came to Treasure Beach. It caused a lot of damage. If you know down there, you know that it's a place that is prone to flooding, which happened to our dormitory. I mean, waist height water came in. We have lost everything there in terms of appliances and stuff and food and all of that stuff. So, as it relates to play, I don't see us returning to play under 2 to 3 weeks. You know what I mean? So we're really in a tough spot at the moment.
As it relates to helping the players, Ricketts says he has no idea where to even start.
I think the first thing that we want to do is we want to have something to offer. And because of the kind of spot we're in, we're trying to get some things together. And we're reaching out to corporate and other people to get involved with us so we can help the players and help. Because it's hard to really call and talk and don't have anything at all, any kind of help to offer to any of the players. Right? I know you know that it's end of month, so that makes it worse. You know, everybody's expecting their pay along with some kind of help. Mentally, we're depleted. I mean, we don't even know where to start.
Meanwhile, TVJ Sports understands that all Jamaica Premier League games scheduled for this weekend will be postponed following the passage of Hurricane Melissa on Tuesday. TVJ Sports has been informed that the competitions department at the Jamaica Football Federation has taken the decision in consultation with stakeholders to postpone the games in order to give clubs more time to recover from the impact of the hurricane. This follows comments made by CEO of the Professional Football Jamaica Limited, Owen Hill, on Wednesday, who explained that there will be no rush to resume the league given the devastation of the hurricane, especially on western parishes. Finally, New Zealand continued their build-up to the visit by the West Indies next month after taking an unbeatable 2-0 lead in their 3-match one-day international series against England after a 5-wicket win in Hamilton. Batting first, England were bowled out for 175. Jamie Overton top-scored with 42 while Harbrook made 34. Joe Root was next best with 25 as Blair Tickner claimed 4 for 34 and Nathan Smith 2 for 27. In their run chase, New Zealand raced the victory at 177 for 5. Daryl Mitchell led the way with 56 not out, while Rashin Ravindra made 54. Jofra Archer was the pick of the England bowlers with 3 for 23. New Zealand will play the West Indies in a full tour featuring 5 T20s, 3 ODIs and 3 Test matches. The tour will start on November 5 with the first T20. And that's it for your Midday Sports. I'm Renardo Brown.
Thank you, Renardo. And that's the Midday News Package. I'm Kerry-Ann Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.